Planting and growing your own produce can give you a steady supply of nutritious food, and the hands-on work can also do wonders for your mental health. My name's Alissa Pattison. I'm one of the Gardens and Food Resources coordinators at Open Door. Together with the volunteers from the community, Open Door's gardening team maintains 6 community wellness gardens near our health centers across the North Coast. Every week we donate the freshly harvested produce from our gardens so those in need can access healthy foods at various sites nearby. Our gardens also serve as educational spots, giving everyone in the community a chance to learn how to cultivate a healthier lifestyle. Today we're going to learn how to pot garlic, arugula, and salad greens. We're going to start with garlic. You can use any pot size, but we're going to use a larger pot size because the bigger the better to give the roots room to grow. The first thing you will want to do is to add some good potting soil. You can use any garlic bulb that you get from the store or gardening store or online. Break the bulb apart, leaving the skin on. This variety of garlic is called Nootka Rose. It does well on the coast. Place the clove about 4 to 6 inches apart and have the pointy end up with the root end down. Place them anywhere there is sunlight. Fall is a great time to plant garlic. It takes about 6 to 8 months to give you a good head of garlic, so this one should be ready in June or July, or whenever half the leaves of the plant die back. And enjoy. Next we have arugula. Start by adding potting soil. Arugula is a great green that grows quickly in small spaces. You can place this pot anywhere the sunlight will hit. These are the arugula seeds. Create whatever pattern or design you would like, then sprinkle in the seeds. You're going to want to sprinkle more potting soil on top, but be careful not to put the seeds too deep. A good rule is to try to plant twice the height of a seed. Pat them down, water them, and enjoy. Lastly, we have a mixture of cress, mustard, arugula, and topsoy. You can plant these in any pot size. These are cut and come again salad greens, which means they can grow about 6 inches, and then you cut them and they will grow again. Start by adding some potting soil. And the seeds here vary in size. There's all sorts of different things going on. There's auric in there also. Then poke some holes and sprinkle the seeds in. Put some potting soil on top, but not too deep, as the seeds may rot. Make sure to cover them, pat them down, water them, and enjoy.